What's going on, everyone? I'm Mason and welcome back to Easy Data Recovery. Today we have this 500 gigabyte Western Digital Blue drive that the customer has mentioned is making a very clear clicking noise. Now, when we initially plug the drive in, we see right away that there is a physical issue with one of the heads. Normally, we would be able to work logically through the PC3000 to disable the head that's giving us a problem and then salvage whatever data is recoverable. For this specific case though, it is critical that we are going to be able to recover all of the data to help our customer out. That's why instead today, I'm going to walk you through the whole process we have here for a head replacement at Easy Data Recovery. Now, luckily for us, we are a data recovery center, so we have our lab as well as the clean room and everything. So we are fortunate enough to already have a donor drive available for us to grab the good head stacks from. With all that being said, let's step into the clean room now where I'll show you the full process we do for the head replacement.
All right, we're in the clean room now. So here we're going to mount the drives to our drive holders. These are actually weighted, so it'll make sure that while we're working on the drives, nothing is moving around, and then they're easy access for us to work within the drives. So under these labels, these warranty labels, so once these are removed, there's no really going back. Once we have the drive opened, it's just a couple of screws. We loosen these. And now we're able to remove the magnet that's holding the head stack in. Now, I know I had been going pretty fast before, but now I'm going to slow it down right here just for this step. This is actually mounting the head tool. Without this, you actually cannot do the head replacement, as there's a very high chance that you will damage the head stack, the heads itself. It is a very precise process that you must use experience through. Now that we have the bad head stack out, we can head on over to our donor now. Exactly the same process over here. We're just going to follow the same steps that we did, like removing the magnet as well as the screws inside. Process for removing the good head stack. Once again, in real time, I'm showing you how we mount the head tool. And like I said, this head tool allows us to safely slide the good head stack off and remove it so that we can insert it now into the patient's drive. Now we can safely remove the tool, insert everything back, including the screws and the magnet. Do a quick dusting of air just to make sure there's no debris or anything that's on the platter. All right, after that, we close the drive up, and the only thing that's left to do now is head on over to our PC3000, the most advanced data recovery tool, where we can plug everything in and go through the steps. While powering the drive on, we use the AutoTech utility to populate passport information. See on the left side over there. And then we go into our data extractor and voila. Look at that. Another successful data recovery and a customer saved.
All right, there you guys have it. We have successfully replaced the heads on the Western Digital Blue hard drive and helped this customer out, retrieve their data for them. If you have any more questions or you want more information on our services, I will link our website in the description below. And once again, I hope you all found this informative and thanks for watching.